Hello guys, welcome to EduKarthik, and in today's video we are going to start our new exercise 2.5, which is going to be our part 1 because this is a long exercise, so it might take 2 or 3 parts. I mean 2 or 3 videos for getting it done. Okay, so let's start. Before starting from our questions, I'll firstly tell you some identities, which are a square minus b square. Maximum of us know this. Maximum people from us know this identity, but some might don't know. So this identity is for for them. And next one is x plus a and x plus b. Okay. Now this will be a plus b and a minus b. These both will get multiplied. So a square minus b square is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay. Now this one x minus a and into x minus b. X square plus bracket a plus b into x plus a into b. This is our identity. X plus a into x plus b is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay. Now we have revised our identities. Now we'll start with our questions. Firstly, first one. It is saying that use suitable identities to find the following products. We have to use the identities which I told you to find the products. So let's see what are parts. First one, it is x plus 4 into x plus 10. X plus 4 into x plus 10. Okay, so now this is our first part. We solve it. We know the identity x square. X is this one. X square will come as it is. Why? Because in place of x is only given. Plus 4 plus 10. 4 plus 10 into x plus 4 into 10. 4 into 10. Now x square will come as it is. 4 plus 10 is 14 x, because there is no value of x, and 4 into 10 is 40, which will get added. So this is our answer. Now next part, x plus 8, x minus 10. X plus 8, x minus 10. We have to solve it. Now again use the same identity. X is x square plus 8 minus 10 into x plus 8 into minus 10, because we have to put the symbol which is getting used over here. which is minus 10. So x square will come as it is. 8 minus 10 is minus 2 and x will come as it is. So minus 2x and plus 8 into minus 10 means minus 80. Minus 80. So our answer is x square minus 2x plus, x square minus 2x minus 80. Now next one, third one, 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5. Three x plus 4 and next bracket 3x minus 5. Is it the same? Yes. So let's solve it. Let me put the arrow. 3x, x is 3x and x square will be 3x whole square. 3x square plus 4 plus minus 5. 4 minus 5 into x, which is 3x, plus 4 into minus 5. 4 into minus 5. So we will solve it. Let's solve it. 3x square is 9x square. 4 minus 5 is minus 1 into 3x means 3x plus 4 into minus 5. 5 for the 20 and minus symbol will come here. So this is our final answer. Y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. Three by 2 and y square minus 3 by 2. So we all know the identity which will get used here, which is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So y square square minus 3 by 2 square. Okay. Y square square is y to the power 2 into 2, which is y to the power 4. And 3 by 2 whole square is 3 square divided by 2 square. 3 square is 9 divided by 2 square is 4. So our answer is y square minus 9 divided by 4 means 9 upon 4. Yes, I'll erase it. Now our next question is fifth part, which is 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x. Fifth one, 3 plus 2x (3 minus 2x). Let me solve it. It is again the same identity getting used over here, which is 3 square 3 square minus 2x square. Okay, so we all know 3 square is 9, 2x square is 2 square 4 into x square means 9x minus 4x square. 9 minus 4x square. So let's come to our next question, which is saying evaluate the following products without multiplying them directly. Means we have to find out the answer without multiplying the numbers directly. Numbers are 103 into 107. 103 multiplied by 107. We have to find it out. We all know that this cannot be solved directly as it is given in the question. So if we are not solving it directly, then we have to use the identities. What identity can be used over here? We have to just simplify it. 103 can be written as 105 minus 2. Okay. And 107 can be written as 105 plus 2. Means simply what we have to do, we have to add them and divide by 2. So the answer comes will be the middle number of them. If the difference between them, if the difference between the number and both of them is positive something and negative something, and the something is same to each other. Like if you take example, how we find out that we have to use 105 over here. 103 plus 107 divided by the number of digits. The number of digits are 2. So 210 by 2, which is 105. So 105. Now 100 minus 103 we have to do, and 107 minus 105 we have to do. Why? Because 105 is greater than 103 and 105 is smaller than 107. So check the difference between them. This is negative number and this is positive number, but the numbers are same to each other. So that's why we have chosen it. Now, what identity is getting formed? A square minus b square. 105 square minus 2 square. 105 square. We'll just multiply and do. 5 5s are 25. And 5 1 the 5. 0 0 0 and 105. 5 2 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 2 5 minus 4. Why 4? Because 2 square is 4. Answer will come 1 1 0 2 1. And if you multiply it by calculator, then also the same answer will come. Now next is 95 into 96. Okay, 95 into 96. What we have to do? Like if we add both of them and divide by 2, so the answer will come in points. But we don't have to do this. If this situation comes, then we just simply have to do a thing. What is it? This can be written as 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. We just have to round off. Wait. It is written in a slide. 100 plus 5, 100 minus 5 and 100 minus 6. Let's solve it. Okay. So firstly x square. X is 100. So 100 square. Minus plus a plus b means minus 5 minus 6 into 100 plus a into b, which is minus 5 into minus 6. Let's solve it. 100 square is 10,000. Minus 5 minus 6 minus 11. Minus 11 into 100 is minus 1100. Minus 1100 and minus 5 into minus 6. 6 5s are 30. 30 minus and into minus, which is plus. Plus 30. Okay. Now 10,000 minus 1100 is 8,900 plus 30 is 8,930. This is our answer. One 104 into 96. Yes, now again a square minus b square is getting used. How I told you to round off? Instead of doing that all thing and getting confused, just do this. What will you do? 104 and 96. What number is coming in between? 100. So just check by rounding off a number. Plus 4, 100 minus 4. We have to do this calculation. 100 square is, will come here, minus 4 square. Because this is a square minus b square identity getting used here. 100 square is 10,000. Minus 4 square is 16. Which is 9,984. 9,984. This is our answer of this question. Now let's come to our next question. What is it saying us? Factorize the following using appropriate identity. We have to use the identities. Now for this question, I will have to tell you more identities. Firstly, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2 times a and b. And next is a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So now let me tell you, a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Only this is the difference. But sometimes you can write this and this here and this one here. Okay friends, in this video we'll do only this much. I've told you the identities. In next video I'll continue with my question number 3. Till then, bye bye and see you all in the next class, and happy Holi to all of you.